During PM Modi's Indonesia visit this week, India agreed to help Indonesia build its own electronic voting machine. That's a bigger deal than it sounds because most of the world actually gave up on this technology. Germany's top court ruled electronic voting machines unconstitutional back in 2009 because voters couldn't personally verify their vote was counted correctly. The Netherlands dropped electronic voting entirely around the same time for similar security concern. Most of the Europe just went back to paper. India took a different path. Instead of abandoning EVM, India built a hybrid system. Since 2019, every Indian EVM is paired with something called VVPAT, a paper trail that prints a slip for every single vote, and the Supreme Court has made it mandatory to physically cross check those paper slip against the machine count in every constituency. So India didn't just keep the speed of electronic voting, it solved the actual trust problem that made other countries walk out of it. That's the real reason Indonesia wants India's help, not just Germany's. India runs the largest elections on earth, nearly a billion voters, and does it with both speed and an inbuilt paper verification system most other democracies could never manage to combine. This connects to something Rousseau built for centuries ago, that democratic legitimacy depends upon people being able to trust their collective will was actually counted correctly. India's version of this isn't just philosophy anymore, it is exportable engineering. Most democracies had to choose between fast elections and a verifiable ones. India built a system that does both, and that's now literally being exported.